We just seem to be sort of whistling down the street, ignoring what's happening around us.
While they can start naturally, wildfires are often caused by humans.
A couple decades ago, it would have been inconceivable that we would have so casually and cavalierly blown by the 1.5C threshold where we are now, but we did, and we may do the same for 2.0 and head above 2.5, which is a deeply troubling world with sea level rise, ice melt, and extreme weather. We do not.
The study from the UK's Met Office has warned that CO2 at current levels are incompatible with the target of keeping global temperatures below 1.5 degrees. Concentrations of CO2.
Record droughts in the Amazon and elsewhere. Plants are not growing as fast. But normally, the Earth's lands take up about 1/3 of fossil carbon pollution through tree growth and other things, and the Earth is starting to fight back.
Burning large amounts of fossil fuels last year was the hottest on record, with global temperatures 1.6 degrees above pre-industrial levels. Let's speak now to...
So is the UK prepared for a wetter future? Well, the Environment Agency says 1.5 million households are in flood risk areas.
We need all of those things. I was particularly talking about surface water flooding, which is the response to periods of relatively short periods of very intense rainfall. So it's not water in cities, it's not water coming from the rivers, it's actually the water coming from the sky. And surface water.
Climate change means that the UK can expect heavier and more intense rainfall. That change will continue over the next few decades, whether or not we're on a path to net zero.
We're going to be getting more periods of very intense rainfall, which can lead to surface water flooding in our cities. And that's probably one of the types of flooding we are least well prepared for in the UK.
Well, we should be very worried. This is a much larger increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide than we're used to.